Good morning, students. Welcome you in your new English class. Today we will do some new exercise. Are you getting excited to do? Yes, previous day you have done the exercise of the chapter Travel Plan. You have done the exercise A6. In that exercise, some homophonic words are given, and you better know. I hope all of you know about the homophones. Homophones means homo means same and phones means phonic, that is sound. Okay, that the words that have the same sound, same pronunciation, and but differ in their spellings and meanings. That is called homophones. In that exercise A6, you have done so many words. You have solved so many words and their homophonic words. Today we will do the exercise number A7. In that exercise, some jumbled words are given. You have done earlier also so many jumbled words in our previous classes, exercises of English books, science books, and so on. And here also we have done. We will do some jumbled words are given, and you have to correct unjumbled it. Okay. Then jumbled word means the words given in the unstructured form, the words given in incorrect form, and you have to write their correct forms. Okay, and with their meaning also. In that exercise, the jumbled word you have to unjumble it, and there you have to choose also their meaning also. Okay, from this exercise. We can start now. Now, first word that is given is EOANC. EOANC. What is their correct word? This is ocean. OCEAN. That is ocean. Now, the second word is IPSN. IPSN. This is the correct form is spin. Spin means rotation. Ocean. Ocean means large area of sea. Now the third word is RGE. RGE PHOPASRS. That is, what is the correct forms? RGEPHOPASRS. The words given in your poem Travel Plan. Can you recognize these words? What is their unjumbled form? Yes, the unjumbled form is grasshoppers. Grasshopper. Now, fourth one. What is it? Fourth one. STAEK. STAEKS. Okay. Now, what is its unjumbled form? Its unjumbled form is SKATES. SKATES. Okay. The fourth word is STAEKS. The word is an incorrect word. Okay. The word is jumbled form, and you have to unjumble it in the form of skates. The word that is used in the poem, that is skates. Skating means rolling. Okay, rolling over ice, rolling over hard surface, anything else. Now, the fifth one, that is kangaroo. The fifth one that is kangaroo. Kangaroo, an animal with pouch on its stomach. Very good. And this jumbled form is OAKGRANO. Now, what is its unjumbled form? It's kangaroo. Kangaroo. Its pronunciation is kangaroo. Okay, but its spelling is Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay. Now kangaroo. Now here you have to write the meanings also. Here you have to write the meaning also. The first one is EOANC. The word is in symbol form. EOANC. Now the word is changed into ocean. Ocean, a large area of sea. IPSN. It's spin. It's spin. In the poem, spin over the head. Okay, in this poem, given spin over the head. And ocean is also given deep in the ocean, deep in the jungle. Okay, deep in the ocean. Why? How? Deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. The poet wants to go deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. And what is the meaning? The word spin. Have you heard the word spin in the poem? Yes, of course you heard the word spin. Spin is the spin over the head. Means rotate over the head. The speaker wants to rotate over his head. Now, grasshopper. The poet wants to ride on the grasshopper. Are you getting this line? In the poem, travel plan given. The speaker wants to ride. Okay, wants to not travel, wants to ride on the grasshopper if passing by through it nearby his place. The spelling of grasshopper, GRASSHOPPER. Now, STAEKS, skates, SKATES, skates. Do you know skating? Skating? Okay, skating means rolling. Okay, rolling anything else. Rolling by wearing boots, wheels. Okay, there is wheels in our boot, and that wheels helps in rolling over the ice cubes or hard surface or anything. Now the OAKGRANO. Okay, the word is in ensemble form, that is kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo, the animals given in your book. The speaker wants to hide himself in the pouch of kind kangaroo. In the pouch of kind kangaroo. And as long as he please, as long he wants to live here, he wants to stay in the pouch of kind kangaroo. Okay, children, and now we will write the meaning of these words. Good morning, students. Welcome you in your English class. Today I will teach you the new exercise of the poem Travel Plan. Children, the new exercise, that is A7. Before that, I want to explain you the previous exercise, that is A6. I know I hope all of you have done this exercise A6, that is homophone, given in that exercise very well. But before that, I want to explain you a little bit. Homophones, children, homo means same and phones means phonic sound of the word. The word that has the same pronunciation, same sound, but differ in their meaning and differ in the spellings than these type of words called homophones. You have done so many words in A6 given to change their homophonic sound. Homophonic word. There is a collection of so many words of homophones. Now, in that exercise travel plan A7, the exercise is given. There is some jumbled word are given. Do you know the meaning of jumbled word? Yes, of course, in previous classes in science and English classes you have done so many jumbled words. Jumbled means incorrect word or the word that is not given in structured form, and you have to structure it. You have to correct it spelling to spelling. Okay, you have to correct it. So there are so many jumbled words are given, at least 5 jumbled words are given, and you have to correct their forms, and after correction you have to choose their meaning also. And this is the match of the following, like match of the following, children, but don't do crisscross in your copy. You have done like this as I have done in the board. Okay, children, so let's start to do these exercise A7. Now in this, children, there is a term incorrect one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are given in jumbled form chapter travel plan. You have to write their correct word. You have to write their correct forms. First one, EOANC. What is it? It is ocean. OCEAN. You know, ocean. Now, IPSN. The words chosen from the poem Travel Plan. IPSN. Do you remember that word? Yes, the word is spin. What is the meaning of spin? Spin is the rotation on its axis. Now the next word is grasshopper. 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 Now next word, that is skates. SKATE. 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 Now next word, that is KANGAROO. That is kangaroo. The spelling of kangaroo is KANGAROO. That is kangaroo. Now write their meaning. What is the meaning of ocean? The meaning of ocean is a large area of sea. A large area of sea. Spin. To go round and round on. To go round and round on its axis. To go round and round on its axis. What is the meaning of grasshopper? Yes, an insects with 8 legs. With 8 legs. Now fourth one, that is skates. What is the meaning of skate? A boot with wheels. With wheels. A boot with wheels for gliding. On which? Gliding. A boot with wheels. Okay, a boot with wheels for gliding over ice or hard surface. Now kangaroo, an animal an animal with a pouch on its stomach. Do you remember? These are the meaning from the chapter, from the poem Travel Plan. You get here this meaning in the poem also. Now express again it. EOANC, the correct word, that is ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Now spin. This is third one is grasshopper, fourth one is cat, and fifth one is kangaroo. What is the meaning of this term? Ocean, a large area of sea. In the poem, the poet discuss deep in the ocean, deep in the snow. Forward, deep in the ocean. The poet went deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. Deep in the ocean, the poet went to talk to a fish. Okay. Spin means to go round and round on its axis. Spinning means rotation on its axis. Suppose this is pen and it is rotate on its axis. Then this is the axis of the pen and it rotates on its axis. This is the spinning. Okay, ये गोल गोल जो घूम रहा है ना, this is the spinning of the pen. तो what is the meaning of spinning? To go round and round on its axis. अपने axis पे round and round घूमना. Ocean is large area of sea. Deep in the ocean, deep in the snow, and deep in the ocean. Poet went deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. The word spin also comes in the poem Travel Plan. The speaker wants to spin over his head. Speaker जो है वो अपने ही head पे spin करना चाहता है on its axis of the head. Grasshopper. What is the meaning of grasshopper? An insect with 8 legs, and green color insects with 8 legs. Grasshopper is an insect. Okay. Now skating is a game. Skating, we wore a boot. In the boot, wheels fixed. Okay, a boot with wheels for gliding over ice cubes or hard surface. Also, skates means easily you can say, children, that is, it is rolling over ice cubes, ice and hard surface. Now, kangaroo is the word that is given in your poem. The speaker wants to hide himself in the pouch of kind kangaroo as long as he pleased. And lastly he wants to thanks. In the language of kangaroo is thank you. He wants to say thank you in the language of kangaroo is. So the meaning of kangaroo is an animal with a pouch on its stomach. That is the kangaroo, an animal with pouch on its stomach. Now see the meaning: a large area of sea, that is ocean. Spin, to go round and round on its axis. Grasshopper, an insect with 8 legs. Skates, a boot with wheels for gliding over ice or hard surface. Kangaroo, an animal with a pouch on its stomach. Now the next one, A8. Okay, in A8 there are three words given, synonyms. Okay, there are 3 words only given in synonyms: A, B and C. First word is cruel. First word is kind, given kind. Second word is given tall, and third one given is travel. Third one, that is travel. You have to write their synonyms form. Do you know what is synonym? Synonyms are the words that have the same meaning. Okay, that have the same meaning word. Same meaning होना चाहिए उस word का, but ओके मीनिंग सेम होना चाहिए बट स्पेलिंग्स कैन बी डिफरेंट. सिनोनिम्स बट ऑन अपोजिट टू द सिनोनिम्स, antonyms have different meaning word but have same spellings also. Can be. Kind. What is the meaning of kind? The similar meaning, that is generous. You can write GENEROUS, generous also. You can write also soft. He is generous in nature. Okay, he is kind in nature, he is soft by nature. Now tall is similar meaning large, or you can also write what is giant. You can also write giant, GIANT, very tall. Travel, you can pick out these similar meaning word from the poem also. Tour, okay, tour. And the next one, that is trip, also you can write trip and tour. Now this, so just recall these words. Synonyms: kind, tall, travel. Kind is generous and soft, tall that is large and giant, and travel that is tour and trip. Okay, that is tour and trip. Kind, the spelling of kind, generous is GENEROUS. Now next, SOFT, soft. Tall, that is LARGE, large, and giant, GIANT. giant किसको कहते हैं? विशाल, बहुत विशाली किसी का रूप है, that is giant. Okay, tall से भी बड़ा. Now travel is the tour, TOUR. Okay, tour of any place or trip of any place, TRIP, trip. In summer holidays you can tour of many places, you can trip of many tourist places. So that the meaning of travel and travel of synonyms of travels are tour and trip too. Now you have to do A7 and A8 in your notebook. Now the next exercise based on children, India has a B1. Okay, B1 exercise B1 exercise is created by the some IQ level questions are given. If you have wondered, if you have toured over so many places, then you can give these answer in B1. In next classes, in next video, you will do B1. Okay children, wait for that B1. In B1, India has rich variety of landscape and climates. This has made it famous tourist spot for people all over the world. Okay, so you have a quiz to check your awareness of India or our motherland. Okay, only you tick the correct answer. This is like MCQ types questions are given to check your GK ability. Okay, can I check your GK ability? Which city is the pink city? Yes, of course, Jaipur is the pink city. Now next question, where is the famous Sun Temple located? Sun Temple means Sun Surya Mandir कहाँ पे है? Sun Temple. Options are on Puri, Kolkata, Delhi. Yes, of course, the correct answer is Puri. Now the third question is, where is the holy shrine of Sikha, the Golden Temple, situated? Where is the holy shrine of Sikha, Golden Temple, situated? Where is the Golden Temple situated? You know very well. Golden Temples situated in where? Amritsar. Very good, Amritsar. Which places, now next question, which places is known as the paradise of the earth? Dharti ka Swarg. Yes, of course, Kashmir is the paradise of the earth. Now next question, where is Mahabalipuram? Where is Mahabalipuram situated? Mahabalipuram in South State and South State of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Now the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Mahabalipuram is in Tamil Nadu. This is famous for so many temples and monuments. The next question, which city is called the Queens of Hilgiri? Queens of Hilgiri, okay, Nilgiri, sorry, Queens of Nilgiri. Nilgiri, Queens means Rani, Nilgiri means Blue Mountains, okay. The city famous for Blue Mountain, the answer is Ooty, okay. The answer is Ooty is famous for Blue Mountain, so that the Ooty is called the Queen of Nilgiri. The last question, which is the famous tourist city at the southernmost tip of the India? In the map, southernmost tip of India, which city is placed? कौन सा city है? Yes, of course, it is Kanyakumari. And in the next chapter, you will know more about Kanyakumari. You will know about more and more about so many tourist places. After this, one chapter is totally based on the tape script of Kanyakumari. So children, wait for the next video. So goodbye, bye bye.